Here at Sofa Max, we deal in designer sofas, leather and fabric, and a lot of the enquiries we get are about what we call leather puddling, or the excess leather on a suite. Now, if you sit down on a sofa like this one, and this is a plain leather covered pad without seams. Now, this is a plain single piece of leather, and by nature, because you travel down on the foam, the leather has to stretch. So when you get off the seat, this is a brand new suite, you're always going to get a level of puddling. Now, this is completely unavoidable, and the procedure is dressing the suite. So I'm smoothing away the leather, and then that takes you back to a completely plain pad. Over time, inevitably, you will get some rippling. This is normal, and that's due to the single piece of leather having to give the user comfort. Now, customers that are sensitive to this should really consider one with the seams on the seat. Now, puddling in a way is there, but the user's perception is drawn away from the seams, and the seams help to locate the separate sections of leather, and there can be some give within the seams. This is a Volante sofa, so it doesn't matter the make, whichever. You could spend £1,000 or £1 million on a suite, they would always do it. If I put my knee into the leather like this, and then you come back, you're always going to get a level of puddling. It's inevitable and unavoidable. And the only way around that is to have seams on the seat, or maybe go for a fabric that has elastic inside the fabric. Now, this isn't a leather, this is Volante Nubuck technology fabric, and it has elasticity within the compound of the fabric. If I do the same test on this one, as you'll notice, it springs back. So again, users sensitive to leather puddling should consider maybe a fabric rather than a natural leather. The natural leather is as God made it, from the hide of an animal.